Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Art. So today in this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating you how you can create this glow effect in any photo by doing Photoshop using Gimp. So let's begin the tutorial. Okay, so let's drag our image directly into the Gimp like this. Okay, so first of all, I will make a duplicate copy of this, and now we'll go to colors, desaturate, click on OK. I will duplicate it. Now I will go to the mode and select difference in the mode. Now I will go to colors, invert, and I will just merge down. Now I will again repeat the step, duplicate this, difference, colors, invert, and merge down like this. Now I will go to colors and colorize. I will take the lightness, saturation all the way up like this. Okay, so I will duplicate this and I will let me just go to the colors and invert it. Okay, so now I will take this and go to colors and invert it like this. Now I will again go to color, colorize, and I will take this little bit up, take this all the way up. Okay, and overlay like this. Okay, set the mode to overlay. Now just take this, merge down, take this and okay, so now take this layer, the original image to the top, and this invert image to the bottom. Now right click on this image, add layer mask, white full opacity, click add. Now take the brush tool and okay, now unselect the black color in the foreground color. Now click on this, choose this hardness 0.5 and just I will zoom in. I will take the zoom tool and zoom it in like this. Now I will click on this white page. I will take the brush tool. I will just spray the color all over it like this. Okay, like this. And now I'm gonna choose white color from it and I will just gently remove the extra area I don't want. I will just pause it. Okay, so like this. Now I will just uh, zoom into these buttons to make it glow. I will just click on this and like this. I will do same with these others. I will take this chain and just I will just drag it on this chain like this. I will zoom in and like this. Okay, so in this way you can create this glow effect using any picture. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updates from side of my channel. See you guys in the next video.